Are you getting the connection error in Dream League Soccer 2026 right when you are about to play a match? Don't worry. Today I will show you simple and effective fix to solve this problem step by step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Open a browser to your choice. Search Internet Speed Test. If your internet is weak, then swipe down from top. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. Restart your router if you are using Wi-Fi. Then go to settings. Tap apps. Tap DLS 2026. Tap for stop. Go to storage. Tap clear cache. Then go to the Play Store and check for updates. An outdated version of DLS 2026 can cause connection errors. Fully close DLS 2026. Restart your phone. Open the game again and check if the error is gone. That's it. These are the best way to fix the connection loss problem in DLS 2026. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.
Bueno, veamos cómo se alinean hoy los equipos. Ha optado por el 4-1-3. Y la devuelve al arquero. Se ha llevado a todos y está en una clara posición para anotar. ¡Es este el momento! Sus compañeros de equipo lo rodean y con razón. ¡Vaya jugada! Los aficionados